my name is Tom Fredette. I am Director of Sales and co-owner here at Equipment Marquis. I've been working here, going to be 17 years in January. Started out as a mechanic and slowly went up the ranks to be where I am now. So we've been working slowly with GRYB over the years on different projects, and just the quality of their product, the availability, and especially their service. When we call GRYB, we get answers quickly. We know what's going, and it's a good recipe for top customer satisfaction. So we've been working on construction attachments with GRYB, as well as some of the forestry equipments, the baitman grapples, and so far we're really happy with it. So in our future, we're looking to expand different locations throughout southern Quebec, central Quebec. Selling more machines means more attachments, so that's how working with GRYB is going to be allowed to support our customers to their needs for different attachments, different projects. So it's a growing cooperation.